Are you looking for the best camping microwaves? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best camping microwaves on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ROTTGOON Portable Oven. The ROTTGOON oven is a versatile portable food warmer that offers intelligent adjustable temperature and digital display, ensuring your meals are evenly cooked and retain their moisture. It works with various power sources, making it perfect for road trips, camping, or even at home. With advanced conduction heat technology, this mini oven can cook a variety of foods like steak, chicken, and frozen meals efficiently. Its automatic temperature control feature allows you to enjoy warm food without constant monitoring. Compatible with various containers, this heated lunchbox is a convenient solution for enjoying hot meals on the go. What we like: adjustable temperature, multi-use, conduction heat technology. Number 2. VEVOR 12V Portable Food Warmer. The VEVOR portable oven is the ideal solution for those who lead busy lives but still crave warm, nutritious meals. With its powerful 55W heating plate, it efficiently warms your food in just 15 to 30 minutes, ensuring you enjoy a hot meal on the go. Its versatile design accommodates various container types, making it perfect for camping trips or long drives. Plus, weighing only 1.26 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to carry, whether you choose to use the handle or the adjustable shoulder strap. Built with durable, waterproof materials, this portable oven is designed for easy cleaning, saving you time and effort. What we like: quick heating in 15 to 30 minutes. Compatible with various container types. Lightweight and easy to carry. Durable and waterproof exterior. Number 3. FORABEST Portable Food Warmer. The FORABEST food warmer is your go-to solution for enjoying hot meals anywhere. Its versatile design allows you to use it at home, in the office, or on the road, compatible with various voltage outlets. With 80W heating power, it efficiently warms food in just 20 to 50 minutes, making it perfect for quick lunches. You can easily fit most oven-safe containers inside, accommodating large portions. Plus, its hassle-free operation means you simply plug it in and let it do the work, ensuring you can savor a warm meal without any fuss. What we like: versatile voltage compatibility, fast heating technology, large capacity for meals, easy to use. Number 4. Travel Time 12V Portable Stove. The Travel Time Portable Stove is an essential tool for anyone who enjoys cooking on the go. With its 12V design, you can prepare hot meals in remote locations, whether you're camping or on a road trip. It heats food up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for warming up leftovers or cooking new dishes. The locking lid helps keep the heat in, ensuring your meal is ready quickly. Plus, its versatility allows you to use various cookware, enhancing your culinary options no matter where you are. What we like: portable and convenient. Fast heating capabilities. Versatile cooking options. Compatible with most vehicles. Number 5. Aotto Portable Oven. The Aotto Portable Oven is a 3-in-1 multi-use food warmer that allows you to heat your food evenly, preserve moisture and nutrition, and enjoy hot tasty food anytime and anywhere you can plug it in. With automatic temperature control, no monitoring is required. It is compatible with multiple containers and comes in a collapsing design with an adjustable shoulder strap and carrying handle. Aotto is dedicated to offering you a 1-year warranty. The Aotto portable oven is perfect for truckers, drivers, patrolmen, teachers, busy moms and dads, nurses, and more. It is a great choice for taking to in a car, truck, office, hotel, or home, etc., making it a convenient and portable way to heat up food. What we like: compact and portable. Efficient heating for frozen and refrigerated meals. Comes with both car and regular plugs. Foldable design for easy storage. Perfect for reheating leftovers.